Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your Roblox age if under 13. So I'm not using a Roblox app, so go to Google search option, search it to Roblox support, click on to Roblox support, then showing here to this dashboard. First of all, select username, automatically select, type it to name, enter your email address, confirm email address, click on, select your device. I'm using my Android phone, and type of help category, select, click on, choose the first option, change child age, scroll down, and now explain your in details problem. So you can copy my all description, and then finally click on to continue. Then Roblox team automatically change your Roblox age if under 13. So that's it. That's how you can do it. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more video.